This is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Kippers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2006 Ford Territory Ghia, stock reference number 4443. The shape runs from the 5th month 2004 through to the 12th month 2016. It has a Barra 190, 4-litre 6-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic all-wheel drive transmission. 6-cylinder Barra 4-litre petrol engine. This vehicle has sustained damage on the front and the rear. We have the right hand fog light, left hand fog light. It's fitted with 17-inch factory alloy mags. Left front has a good tyre, left power door mirror, left front door has 2 small dents, left rear door appears to have no damage. Left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the left hand tail light, the right hand tail light, right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Both right hand doors appear to have no damage. Right power door mirror, and a right front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with grey leather interior. Factory 6-stack premium sound CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 4-spoke grey leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.